this out, man. It's the coolest. You already know. Check this out though. The top. Right? Cool. Check this out. If I was to put, you know, tobacco in there, and in here, and in here, and here, and here, and here, all I gotta do is smoke the tobacco out of this one first, and go. Or I can't do it with one hand. You turn it. When you're done with the tobacco, turn it. When you're done with the tobacco, turn it. I got 6 chambers of tobacco. Or whatever your favorite herbs or spices shall be. Badass, right? Grind all my tobacco in there. Flip it up over. Load my tobacco. And have at it. Pretty cool. Pretty damn cool, I will have to say. And it's airtight. Badass. Badass. Herbal grinder and it's pipe at the same time. Badass.